Breaking news! Local Java developer forgets how to loop after 5 years in the industry. Witnesses report a seasoned Java backend developer with half a decade of experience suddenly blanking on how to iterate over a list. Sources say they were last spotted furiously typing how to increment iterator Java into Google before disappearing into the Stack Overflow void. Ever felt like a total fraud despite shipping working code? Congrats! You've got imposter syndrome. And guess what? Every real developer has it. If you don't wake up at least once a week thinking, wait, do I actually know how to code? Or have I just been winging it this whole time? Then you're either lying or an AI-generated LinkedIn influencer. Here's the truth. Nobody knows what they're doing. You think senior devs have all the answers? Nah, they're just better at Googling without looking like they're Googling. The same engineers building billion-dollar systems still have to search how to exit Vim like the rest of us. And don't even ask about centering a div. Some of the smartest minds in tech lose sleep over CSS like it's a Dark Souls boss. Meanwhile, Chad from your bootcamp is already raising Series A for his blockchain-based AI pet startup. Imposter syndrome is baked into the job. A 2020 study found 58% of devs admit feeling like frauds. The other 42% were probably too scared to answer honestly. Even Guido van Rossum, Python's creator, once said he sometimes has no clue what he's doing. So yeah, if the guy who invented a language feels like an imposter, you're allowed to panic over a misplaced bracket. But here's the real secret. Tech moves faster than anyone can keep up. One day, you're a React guru. The next, they drop React Quantum, and suddenly you're back to watching 12-hour tutorials just to feel human again. So if you ever feel inadequate, remember, no one else knows either. The only difference between juniors and seniors? Seniors have mastered the art of stealth Googling. That architect debugging a million-line monolith? Oh, they're absolutely copy-pasting from Stack Overflow with zero shame. If you can write code, break it, then frantically search for fixes, congrats, you're a real developer. And remember, you're only a fraud if you get caught. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to Google Java for loop syntax for the third time today.